Hey YouTube, me here. I just wanted to make a little video here about some classic and old school switchblades as well as some newer stuff that I have. I used to carry one of these, little Kershaw Scallion, I believe, in Boy Scouts, and they used to call me Mr. Switch. Well, actually this isn't a switchblade. And the reason it's not a switchblade, even though it's spring assisted, is the button or the lever that you use to actuate it is this little tab right here. And a switchblade is defined, part of the definition is it needs to be a button that's on the handle. Now this little tab is on the blade, so not a switchblade. This is another Kershaw knife. This is a switchblade. There's the model number, USA make. And this is a really nice knife, really fun knife. It's part of their Auto series, 154 cm. So those are out, this would be an out the side switchblade. Now we have out the fronts. My Raven Crest Tactical. This is a double action out the front knife. Got one with the serrations on it. Blacked out hardware. And I absolutely love this little tab right here. It's a low carry clip, but it's got this little tab so you can grab it in your pocket a little better. Really cool, high value knife. Next is my Cupid clone. This was a single action OTF, but I have since modified it with my own blade in A2. A little on the ugly side, but really neat little knife. Now it's a gravity knife instead of a single action out the front. Kind of a fun little project I had going. Well, the next is this out the side. It's a Italian style switchblade with honey buffalo horn. It's gold buffalo horn. It's really kind of a neat knife. Again, operated by the use of a button on the handle. So the same reason this knife is considered a switchblade is you can flick it out with momentum, with inertia. For the same reason that's considered a switchblade, these guys are also considered switchblades. This is a vintage butterfly knife, Valor Cutlery. I believe Valor was bought off along with Pacific Cutlery by Benchmade at some point, but I'm not 100% sure on that. And this is one of their this is actually let's see if I can get it to focus. Different style. And this one's in a Manila Tailor configuration. So the latch is on the safe side instead of the classic style where the latch is on the bite handle. So this is more of a classic setup, right? This is a Jaguar. Might be a Chinese copy of a Jaguar, but it has a little Jaguar logo. And for a while, this was the only butterfly knife I had that didn't fall apart while I was playing with it. Zinc handles, nice 3/16 inch blade stock, very fun knife. Next we have another knife in Manila Tailor configuration. This is a little Pakistan made butterfly knife. Real simple, really neat, with brass handles and then a stainless steel blade. This would be a really fun knife to turn into a project knife if I could ever find small pins, small pin stock pins to make the joints out of. And then the last, certainly not least, is this guy. This is a no-name knife, probably made in the Philippines. It has a hardwood handle with a brass frame. And it's actually a really cool knife. It's a clip point. You can't really flip it a whole lot, but it does open and close really well. Definitely on the rough side. I didn't want to restore it. I kind of like how it looks, and I wouldn't want to change it too much. Wouldn't want to ruin it by trying to change it too much. But each handle is one solid piece of brass with wood overlay. One more time at this guy. I absolutely love this bayonet blade profile. If this video gets enough interest, I'd love to do a collection video on my butterfly knives. Because believe it or not, this isn't all the butterfly knives I have, and I would definitely like to show that off too. Alright, thanks for watching.